prevent sanitation. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of environment? You start asking.
I don't know.
I'm asking for you.
I don't know. You explain.
Environment, where animals, human beings, and plants live. Yes, second, you have already learned about environment pollutions in class 3. You know. Then there is two types of waste. Can anyone know what is the two types of waste? And waste.
Biodegradable and non-biodegradable.
Stand up and tell me biodegradable definition. Biodegradable is a waste that can easily decompose and broken down by microorganisms. What is it? Like an example, crystal is a waste. Plants waste such as fallen leaves and moving from ammonium. Okay. Biodegradable waste means that a waste that can be easily decomposed or broken down by microorganisms is called biodegradable. Decompose means breaking down a substance due to natural process.
Microorganism.
Microorganism. It is not in this system.
But microorganisms is there no example. Is there not? In definition is there no microorganism?
Microorganism means a very small organism that can be seen only in a microscope. Okay, there are examples like kitchen waste, vegetables, food waste like that. Now, and things such as like bacteria, fungi are also called biodegradable waste. Now you stand up and tell me non-biodegradable definition.
Non-biodegradable. Waste that easily not be decomposed or broken or microorganism.
Example?
Last one. In going to ಏನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಿಂದೆ
First,
non.
go first.
So he gave non-biodegradable.
So she also gave biodegradable first.
Clearly, what is that after decomposing?
after you eating, if you put in the ground and you kept for so many days and you went, so it will be there only now. It will be not more. It's called not biodegradable. Okay, this some can give me example of which animals eat plastics. Cow goats. These animals swallow plastic. If by mistake they eat the plastic, they will be die and they cannot be digested the plastic. Okay. What examples like plant waste, kitchen waste, vegetable, food waste like that. Some are don't talk. Okay, you know pollution. Can anyone tell me what is pollution? Pollution means which you get, which is just the
कैमरा
pollution means which does the environment. Yes, don't talk. Someone give something. Pollution means what you talking? In which language? Someone keep your bag here. You came, so all classes disturbed. Then I just these are processes that make land water, therefore putting land dirty. In which language, Samaj? Not your home, it's a school. Living in polluted area is hazard. Okay? You stand up. No, you stand up. Pinching me. Why you're pinching?
Don't go back then.
Ma'am told him. That is it. You three are only there in front of
Go.
you. Stand up and tell me how many pollutions we are having.
Samata go.
Why are you talking?
Air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, oil pollution. खान जाता तो अल्लाह का नाम खान जाता
Samaj, why are you talking in Hindi? अरे
कैमरा
yes, let it be. We will not getting problems for you. Are getting problems? Please stand up. Stand up. After that, you stand up and I'm asking you a question. Tell me what is deficiency of air pollution. Definition. You don't have. I'm asking that definition, not example. You know lesson. Someone fire is talking. Don't talk, boys.
Number quality oxygen.